We've all heard the saying that practice makes perfect. That's a lie. But practicing is super, super important, whether you're pitching to investors, you're a salesperson, you're out interviewing for jobs, or you just rely on networking for your career, or maybe you just like to do it. So whether you're working on your elevator pitch or any of those other pitches, practice your pitch is the place to be. We're gonna do speed pitching. So that means pairing up one-on-one, kind of like you would at like speed dating, and practicing your pitch, getting some feedback from somebody who's never heard you pitch before. They can give you that raw, honest, unbiased feedback. And then we're gonna have a few people, so show up on time if you wanna be this person, go up in front of the room and get that pressure, right? Sometimes we just need to practice like we play. You gotta get that scrimmage in. So that's what practice your pitch is for. It's this chance to get real-time feedback, actionable feedback, tips for not only presenting, but also for practicing by yourself, because it doesn't matter how good you are. Serena still practices, Kobe still practices, Beyonce practiced for how long for that homecoming? Yeah, okay. So you get the idea. That's what practice your pitch is all about. I got snacks for you to keep the energy up. Other than that, make sure you bring whatever you need. If you like to take notes, bring pens and paper, all that good stuff. This is your chance to practice, get feedback, and then network with like-minded individuals who also care about getting better. We'll be doing these probably about bi-monthly here in the Seattle area, and if you're interested in bringing me into your workplace or into your meetup group or whatever it is, just let me know and we can work something out. Hope to see you soon.